People are like, you should be starting a business. You should be this. No, honey, no. If that isn't something that I want to be, like, it really irritates me that people want everybody to start a business. If everybody in the United States started a business, who the hell is going to work our businesses? Ready me that, Batman? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aquarius, and today we're going to talk about the dreaded thing that nobody is talking about. Okay, I am talking about my vision board. Yeah, I have a vision board party every year with my girlfriends where we sit and drink wine and make vision boards. And mostly we drink wine, okay? So I had so much fun with two of my best girlfriends. And y'all, let me just tell you, we really thought we was gonna take 2020 by storm, honey. It was gonna be our year. You know, I had just moved into this house. I was like, yes, we want to do everything. But let's just see how much I did get accomplished. You know, I'm not afraid to share my failures along with my success with y'all, because that's how I like to run my channel. Okay, come on. So, Naomi, let me be a motivation, and yet tonight, I was like, oh, I like her body. She got her whole like body together, and she can bounce the ball off her butt. So she was definitely a part of my 2020 vision as far as exercising. I have a lot of stuff like HGTV. I have a couple, one of my favorite couples from HGTV, our hometown. I love them. They are on my vision board, and that was because I really wanted to give you guys more home decor videos, which I did do. So I am feeling really good about that, and I have more coming up. So I did do something. Corona, you didn't get me. Not all of it anyway. Now, I got Mother Oprah on here down at the bottom. Yes, I have Mother Oprah on there. I'm still inspired, you know, kind of working my way up to Oprah. I'm aspiring to be Mother Oprah. Yes, I am. And if I can't be Oprah, I'll be Gail. Not the Gail that said, no, not Gail. Okay. I feel like I'm one of those people that was blessed with many gifts and many talents. So it's really hard for me to focus on one thing. You can tell by my channel that I do a lot of different things because I'm good at a lot of different things. I don't like to be put in a box. I've always been like that since I was a little bitty girl. I won't say that I haven't found my purpose or my calling yet. I am just navigating the waters, and I'm just gonna go wherever my gifts take me. So that's that. But what I want to do is to share some stuff with y'all, because I feel like, you know, the internet is a crazy place. If you've ever noticed, people are always saying, hey, you should take this time off or this downtime to be more productive. I feel like, and this is just me, I feel like with certain people, including myself, it was a time for me to slow down. It was a time for me to stop and put a pause on all the different things that I had going on, and to focus on what's really important, which is family. People are like, you should be starting a business. You should be this. No, honey, no. If that isn't something that I want to be, like, it really irritates me that people want everybody to start a business. If everybody in the United States started a business, who the hell is gonna work our businesses? Ready me that, Batman? Everybody wasn't meant to be an entrepreneur, and I love it. I do love it. I especially love it in the African-American community, where African-American women really are leading the way in entrepreneurship. Love it, love everything about it, but it ain't for everybody. Calm down, people, okay? Some people like to just work. Some people like to go to school and get that degree so they can work for you and run your business and let you retire. hell. Let me know below if you feel like me. Like, stop pressuring everybody to start a daggone business. You know, life is short either way. And if I want to spend my time doing absolutely nothing during quarantine, I don't feel like that's a waste, because America will be back up and running, okay? And then you will be like, oh, I need a vacation. Ooh, Lord, I'm tired. Ooh, when last time I got 8 hours of sleep. I'm taking advantage of it. I don't know about you, but I am taking full advantage of this downtime with my family. So you guys, what I wanted to do was to inspire you to do whatever it is that you want to do during your downtime. If you want to continue to work on your goals, go back to them, have them posted around your home, and make a plan and stick to it. But also plan on spending time with those that matter to you the most. That's what I think 2020 has been about. So don't feel like you have to be one of those people who are going crazy, building a business just in your home while you're in quarantine, or feel like you're rushed to go ahead and start something that you may not be ready to start. That's okay to say. Like, you may want to take your time and do things at a slower pace so that you'll be able to balance both family life at home, work life at home, and any goals that you're trying to achieve outside of both of those things. So you guys, thank you so much for taking the time out to watch my video, and I will see you guys in another one.